In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to analyze company updates quickly with the AI-powered document section on TradingView. Markets move fast, and digging through hundreds of pages of financial filings can be overwhelming. TradingView's new AI-powered features transform complex disclosures into digestible insights. By leveraging these tools, you can grasp the big picture of a company's performance in seconds, helping you spend less time searching and more time making informed trading decisions. Let's dive into the platform and see how it works. First, open TradingView and select a specific ticker to analyze. For this example, you can use a popular stock like Nvidia, Meta, or Apple. Once you are on the symbol page, navigate to the Documents tab. You can also access this directly from the chart side panel to stay within your workspace. From there, scan the document list to view quick insights. These are short, AI-generated essence lines appearing directly under the document titles. They allow you to see the core message of a filing at a glance without even clicking. To stay organized, use the Earnings and Corporate Events grouping tabs. This makes it easy to filter between financial reports and activities like M&A announcements or investor days, ensuring you don't get lost in a cluttered list. If you need to be even more precise, apply the advanced filters to narrow the list to specific document types, such as annual reports, quarterly reports, or transcripts. Next, select a document dated from June 2024 onwards to open the integrated viewer. Once open, review the full summary section. This AI-powered feature provides a comprehensive overview of the entire filing, so you can grasp the most important updates without reading the full text. Finally, if you would like to know the details, you can see the full transcript of the event. This allows you to go through all the minor details and specific points as per your need and interest. If a summary point catches your eye, you can jump straight to the original text for easy verification. Using AI-powered documents makes your corporate analysis much more effective. Give it a try on your favorite tickers to see how much time you can save. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more TradingView tutorials. Happy trading!